USB Type-C male-female connectors, jack tail USB male plug electric terminals. USB Type-C male-female connectors. A review. USB Type-C is the latest and most advanced type of USB connector. It is reversible, so you can plug it in either way up. It is also much faster than older USB connectors, and it can carry more power. This review will take a look at USB Type-C male and female connectors. We'll discuss what they are, what they're used for, and how to choose the right ones for your needs. What are USB Type-C connectors? USB Type-C connectors are a new type of USB connector that is reversible. This means that you can plug them in either way up, without having to worry about which side is up. USB Type-C connectors are also much faster than older USB connectors. They can transfer data at speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, which is 10 times faster than USB 3.0. They can also carry more power, up to 100 W. What are USB Type-C connectors used for? USB Type-C connectors are used for a variety of devices, including smartphones, laptops, and tablets. They are also used for some external hard drives and other storage devices. How to choose the right USB Type-C connectors. When choosing USB Type-C connectors, there are a few things you need to consider. Speed. The speed of the connectors is determined by the version of USB Type-C that they support. The latest version is USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, which can transfer data at speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second. Power. The power of the connectors is determined by the maximum current they can carry. The latest version can carry up to 100 W. Compatibility. Make sure that the connectors are compatible with the devices you want to connect them to. Where to buy USB Type-C connectors? You can buy USB Type-C connectors online or at electronics stores. Conclusion. USB Type-C connectors are the future of USB. They are faster, more powerful, and more versatile than older USB connectors. If you're looking for the best possible connection for your devices, then USB Type-C is the way to go.